Hi everyone. Now I'm going to give lecture on the topic of design methodologies. Design methodology is a design process for embedded computing systems. Why we are going for design methodologies? Process is important because without it we can't reliably deliver the products we want to create. Thinking about the sequence of steps necessary to build something may seem superfluous, but the fact is that everyone has their own design process, even if they don't articulate it. If you are designing embedded systems in your basement by yourself, having your own work habits is fine. But when several people work together on a project, they need to agree on who will do things and how they will get done. Being explicit about process is important when people work together. Therefore, because many embedded computing systems are too complex to be designed and built by one person, we have to think about design processes. The obvious goal of design process is to create a product that does something useful. Typical specifications of a product will include functionality, example, personal digital assistant. Manufacturing cost must have retail price below $2,000. Performance must power up within 3 seconds. Power consumption must run for 12 hours on 2 AA batteries or other properties. Of course, a design process have several important goals beyond function, performance and power. These are time to market, design cost, then manufacturing cost and quality. So, under time to market, customers always want new features. The product that comes out first can win the market, even setting customer preferences for future generation of the product. The profitable market life for some product is 3 to 6 months. If you are 3 months late, you will never make money. In some categories, the competition is against the calendar, not just competitors. Calculators, for example, are disproportionately sold just before school starts in the fall. If you miss your market window, you have to wait a year for another sales season. Design cost. Many consumer products are very cost sensitive. Industrial buyers are also increasingly concerned about costs. The costs of designing the system are distinct from manufacturing cost. The cost of engineers' salaries, computers used in design, and so on must be spread across the units sold. In some cases, only one or few copies of an embedded system may be built, so design costs can dominate manufacturing costs. Design costs can also be important for high volume consumer devices when time to market pressures cause teams to swell in size. And the last one is quality. Customers not only want their products fast and cheap, they also want them to be right. A design methodology that cranks out shoddy products will soon be forced out of the marketplace. Correctness, reliability, and usability must be explicitly addressed from the beginning of the design job to obtain a high quality product at the end. Processes evolve over time. They change due to external and internal forces. Customers may change, requirements change, products change, and available components change. Internally, people learn how to do things better, people move on to other projects, and others come in, and companies are bought and sold to merge and shape corporate cultures. Software engineers have spent a great deal of time thinking about software design process. Much of this thinking has been motivated by mainframe software such as databases, but embedded applications have also inspired some important thinking about software design process. A good methodology is critical to building systems that work properly. Delivering buggy systems to customers always causes dissatisfaction, but in some applications such as medical and automotive systems, bugs create serious safety problems that can endanger the lives of users. Thank you.